business analyst. I worked as a
No,
business
no.
analyst and then into project
Apart
manager.
from, okay, okay. You
Yeah.
were working as a BA. Okay, from BA,
Yeah.
basically from BA you have to be a Salesforce expert.
Yeah.
There is a good opportunity for Salesforce for BA in Salesforce as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what? Yeah, I was talking about the development part. We'll be doing Apex. We'll be doing triggers, and for the UI, see, for every development there is backend and there is front end,
Yeah.
right? Do I need to go into the depth of what is backend, what is front end?
No need. After completion of admin, we can go into it.
Okay. So what backend is? This The admin part is complete. Introduction is complete from my end.
Okay.
I'll be telling you what Salesforce and Service Cloud is by sharing my information in the sharing my screen. I'll
Okay.
show you how Salesforce looks. You might be having a Salesforce ID
Yes,
on
I have.
Trailhead.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have.
So okay. Give me a minute. I'll just log in my Salesforce.
Okay.
Is it visible? Is my screen
Yes,
visible?
it is visible.
Okay. So you know what is Trailblazer and Trailhead is,
Yeah.
according to my guess.
Yeah. We can learn Salesforce from this.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. You can create playground for yourself to learn, to code, and to do admin part.
Yes.
These, the playgrounds. I'll tell you in the. I'll tell you in. Okay. I'll take you as a freebie. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what we do is that we create a trailhead background from these hands-on orgs,
Okay.
and these hands-on orgs are basically you can learn from these, but yeah, at a professional level you will get all these things.
Okay.
And when you yourself is doing that, your company, in whichever company you are working, they will register themselves for Salesforce, and you can create your own ID and password, and you can create your own organization.
Okay.
So what we will do, we'll launch. It's taking time. अच्छा, let me tell you one thing. Salesforce क्या करता है, that Salesforce will update every quarter
Okay.
of the year. It keeps on updating its version. In the sense, it
Okay.
will add some of the features with every coming quarter. It has summer, autumn, winter, and spring.
Okay.
Summer 2022, winter 2022, spring 2022, and autumn 2022.
Okay.
With these releases, the questions that comes in the certifications also changes.
Okay.
Okay, so it provides you many certifications, and you should do certification in order to gain excellence in Salesforce, because nowadays companies are seeing the certifications. Okay, so if you want to be a Salesforce admin, then these certifications are important for these. Basically, you can do Salesforce admin and platform app developer.
Okay.
This is enough for admin.
Okay.
Yeah, and these are the roles that Salesforce offers basically. If you want to be an architect, whether a developer, marketer, consultant, designer, that's all up to you. But since you are moving to project management, I will suggest you to be a Salesforce consultant.
Okay.
Okay, but this consultancy also comes with development and admin. Until and unless you don't know these two, then consultant, what will you consult to others if you don't know, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is very in future, you can say 10, after 10 years I should see you as a Salesforce consultant basically. Okay, so also with development, these two are, you can say, PD1, that is platform developer 1, and PD2 are mandates.
Okay.
How to clear PD1, I can tell you. How you can
Okay.
get, these are for $200, all are paid, but through,
Okay.
there are many on the Facebook also you can get, on Telegram also you can get. There are many things where you can get these $200 vouchers. You can attend their seminars, all these, there are many ways. uh, Pure 200 to nahi milega, but yeah, you can get $70 off voucher, or like that you will get some of the discounts you can get.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what I have planned for myself, that I have done PD1 and admin, I'm going towards PD2 and JD1.
Okay.
And for consultant, I am going for Service Cloud, because Service Cloud is the main cloud that companies are working on. Sales Cloud is not much into, you know action. It is, but no, Service Cloud is the main one.
Okay.
And Field Service. सो सर्विस क्लाउड का तो जो एक्सटेंशन होता है ना, वो होता है हमारा फील्ड सर्विस.
Okay.
फील्ड, इतना तो यू नो दैट व्हाट आर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, व्हाट आर फील्ड्स एंड व्हाट आर रिकॉर्ड्स,
Yes.
है ना? हाँ, तो फील्ड सर्विस इज द सेम थिंग. हाउ कैन यू configure more on field is the field service consultant, and it is an extension of your service cloud.
Okay.
So that is what I have planned for myself. But yeah, you can go through these certifications, what these certification will offer you. Okay, I will, with this coming course, I will give you many YouTube tutorials for you to analyze on which direction you have to go. I will give you
Okay.
one class. I will, one class I will discuss how can you move forward, in which field you have your interest in, and accordingly you can plan your certifications.
Okay.
Okay, so we will be covering around, we will be having around 1.5 hour class. In that, I'll be giving you 1 hour session,
Okay.
and 15 minutes will be the questionnaires, what all questions you have,
Okay.
all right, and 15 minutes will be the assessment.
Okay.
Whatever I will teach, I will give you one assessment from home. You have to work through home. That we will
Okay.
discuss as soon as we log into the class, that assessment.
Okay.
And regarding the topic that I have, that let's suppose I have taught you one topic about Apex triggers today. I
Okay.
will give you one trigger from home, but one trigger I will give you right now. You have to do it in front of me, so that I also know that yeah, you guys are not googling and you are putting your efforts in.
Okay.
Okay, so 1.5 is that. I'll be covering like that. 45 minutes will be your whole teaching, because I don't think that more than 45 people will be able to understand.
Okay.
पूरा 1 से 1.5 घंटे में होता है कि दिमाग बंद हो जाता है, एक पॉइंट के बाद समझ में नहीं आता है.
Uh, yes.
ठीक है. हाँ, तो 45 to 50 minutes हम सिर्फ पढ़ेंगे. 10 minutes I will be discussing about the assignment that I have given you yesterday.
Okay.
15 minutes will be the question answer. Definitely you can ask me question answers anytime within the class, that is not a problem. We can extend also if you have a problem. That is not an issue. And 15 minutes we will keep for the assignment that I will give you in the class.
Okay.
Yeah. So this will be the whole criteria for your 1 to 2 months class. It is not like that कि 2 महीने में हम पूरा cover कर लेंगे. It can extend also. It will
Okay.
depend upon how much you guys can grasp. जितनी जल्दी grasp होता जाएगा उतनी जल्दी आगे बढ़ता जाएगा syllabus.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is like out of 100% class you can say I will be covering 40% of admin and 60% of development.
Okay.
Okay, out of that 60%, 30% will be front end, that is back end, that is Apex.
Okay.
30% will be your front end, that is your Lightning Web Component, LWC,
Okay.
and your Apex integration, that is your REST API.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So Visual Force is obsolete now.
Okay.
There are very few companies, I will say very few companies and very few projects that are working on Visual Force.
Okay.
Most of the things are being converted into
Lightning, I guess.
Lightning
Yeah.
components. Yes. Whatever new is being made, that is all being made into LWC. Lightning Web Components. Okay. For that, we will be using Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
It is an IDE. It comes with an extension package.
Okay.
Okay. I hope that I have that here in my laptop. I'm not sure whether I have. I'll just show you how this looks. This is basically how the Visual Studio Code is here. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
here are all the things that you can work. So these are the extensions. See, I
Okay.
have Apex installed in mine. So yeah, SFDX is basically, these are all the commands that we will be working with.
Okay.
Okay, so Visual Studio Code gives that opportunity that it have all the extension. This is basically Salesforce extension pack.
Okay.
In this pack, it is all, everything is there. Apex is there, Apex debugger is there, Aura components, Visual Force. So it covers everything. SQL, Lightning Web Components. So we will be dealing with Apex, SQL, Lightning Web Components, Validator, CLI integration. So all these will be covered.
Okay.
Okay. So now, what you know how to make object, right?
Yeah.
If you have any doubt regarding what I have told you till now, then you can please come up with anything.
Yeah. No doubts till now.
Till now. Okay. So what you want me to discuss with you more?
More means like I would like to go not into developing much as you see.
Hmm.
Like I would like
Hmm.
to be a Salesforce consultant. Like because most of the time I would like to interact with clients and managers only. So uh, yeah, for that reason I would like to be a Salesforce consultant only.
Okay, so but for that also you should know the working of the development as well,
Yes, working. Yeah.
right?
Yes.
तो वो तो हम कवर हमें करना ही है.
Yes.
Admin, see, what will happen if you are becoming a consultant, it is not the thing that you will not code. ऐसा नहीं होता
Okay.
कि आपको कोड नहीं करना है. Even if you are
Okay.
consultant, कोडिंग तो करना ही पड़ता है.
Okay.
ठीक है. कोडिंग, सी, Salesforce का एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, और एक कोई ऐप अगर दिखेगी, जैसे हम सेल्स ऐप पे जाते हैं, ठीक है,
Okay.
this is the sales app.
Okay.
But everything you can, you can take from Salesforce. These dashboards, what you want to see, मतलब अब मुझे ये देखना है, I want contacts to be here, I want a call log, a poster to be here, everything you can do with Salesforce admin. The only thing
Okay.
that you cannot do with Salesforce admin is your integrations, if you want to connect to an external app,
Okay.
right? बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशंस होती हैं, यू हैव टू कनेक्ट विद द एक्सटर्नल एप्लीकेशंस अगर आपको अच्छा रिजल्ट चाहिए है,
Okay.
बिकॉज Salesforce also has its limitations which can be covered by external processes.
Okay.
Okay, so for that purpose you need to code. अब everything cannot be blue and white,
Okay.
right? You might have your own logo, your logo is of red color, you want things to be red and white.
Yes.
किसी भी एप्लीकेशन है ना, किसी भी एप्लीकेशन को
हाँ.
बनाने के लिए एक प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट होता है, उसकी अपनी
Yes.
स्क्रीन्स होती है ना, उसका अपना
Yes. Yes.
लुक एंड फील होता है.
Yes.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन प्लस है, तो वन प्लस इज ऑल रेड एंड वाइट,
Yes.
है ना.
हाँ.
सो और पेप्सी है, पेप्सी इज ऑल ब्लू. You can connect with anything else of for colors also.
Okay.
कोई होता है that deals only with orange, and these functionalities can be covered with LWC. तो उसके लिए कोडिंग चाहिए.
Okay.
आपको बैकग्राउंड चेंज करना है, ये Salesforce एडमिन प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाएगा.
Okay.
इट कैन प्रोवाइड यू स्मॉल रेंजेस बट नॉट मच. आपके आइकन्स चेंज करने के रेंजेस हैं. आप जैसे कि सिंपल ये है, तो मार्केटिंग के आगे ये आइकन लगाए, कम्युनिटी के आगे लगाए, यू कैन चेंज दीज
Okay.
आइकन्स. बट
Okay.
यू कैन, बट अगर मैं मार्केटिंग पे यहाँ पे क्लिक कर दूंगी, बट आया तो ये ब्लू ही है ना.
Yes.
सो दीज थिंग्स कैन बी चेंज.
Okay.
ओके, सो उसके लिए तो यू हैव टू कोड.
Okay.
और फॉर बिकमिंग कंसल्टेंट ऑल्सो अभी तो कोडिंग करनी ही पड़ेगी ना. कंसल्टेंट बनोगे आप 4 साल बाद,
Okay.
कल 1 साल बाद तो कंसल्टेंट नहीं, 6 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस को कंसल्टेंट नहीं देते हैं. दैट ये थोड़ा
Yes.
ग्रेडिंग होता है ना,
Yes.
ऑफिशियल ग्रेडिंग भी होती है. 8 years, आपको 8 years 9 years, वो भी आपको ऑल इनटू Salesforce होना चाहिए,
Yes.
नॉट इन एनी अदर टेक्नोलॉजी. तब
Yes.
आपको कंसिडर करेंगे थोड़ा सा. यू विल बी इन कंसिडरेशन, you will be in the running race basically.
Yes.
So yeah, so for that you need a development.
Okay.
Okay, ठीक है. तो हमारे पास ये सारे क्लाउड्स होते हैं. लेट्स कम बैक टू क्लाउड्स. ओके, Salesforce क्या है, मुझे आप एक बार बताओगे क्या होता है Salesforce?
Salesforce CRM है वो.
हाँ, बताओ. मतलब मैं वो पूछना चाह रही हूँ आपसे कि बाय दिस Salesforce CRM है. CRM क्या होता है अगर मैं ये बोलूँ?
कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट है इसमें. सो हम लाइक sales cloud
You can connect in whichever language
we
you
can
want.
connect with customers easily.
Okay. Okay, ठीक है. We can connect with customers easily. Custom CRM तो ये होता है.
हाँ.
Do you know any other technology that is working into CRM apart from Salesforce?
Microsoft CRM.
Okay. SAP?
SAP CRM और वो भी अच्छा है.
Yes. SailPoint?
Okay.
This is new. Very, very new. Not
Okay.
in India much. But
Okay.
this is also pacing about. बट अभी मार्केट सेल्स फोर्स का है और फ्यूचर के 10-15 साल कहीं नहीं गए सेल्स फोर्स के.
ओके,
ठीक है.
ठीक
So
है.
SAP is decreasing because of Salesforce. The market of SAP in India is decreasing. I will not say much decreasing, but it is now.
Okay.
And Salesforce is gaining its pace very rapidly, very, very rapidly. Because of its customizations and the features that it offers as an admin.
Okay.
डेवलपमेंट तो है ही इसका स्ट्रॉन्ग. डेवलपमेंट में तो यू कैन इंटीग्रेट विद एनीथिंग यू वांट. आप इसमें अपना यूआई इसका स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया है. अर्लियर यूआई वाज वेरी बेसिक. जो विजुअल फोर्स में आपको बता रही हूँ इट इज वेरी वेरी बेसिक.
Okay.
बट जैसे you know difference between you know what is React JS, Angular JS, JavaScript का कुछ आइडिया है?
आइडिया नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक है. तो क्या होता है जब हम जावास्क्रिप्ट, मान लो ये पेज है, ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ से रिफ्रेश किया तो ये पूरा पेज लोड होगा.
यस.
ठीक है. मैंने यहाँ पे गोल, मुझे चेंज, यहाँ पे कुछ चेंज करना है, यहाँ पे एडिट का बटन है, मैंने वो
Yes.
चेंज किया, एडिट गोल है ना, मैंने
हाँ.
सिर्फ ये गोल चेंज किया, लेकिन क्या होगा, पूरा पेज रीलोड होता है. अगर हम विजुअल फोर्स और पुरानी टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करते हैं तो
ओके.
जो LWC है, what the LWC that is coming, or you can say Angular JS है, जो React JS है, या फिर
Okay.
LWC है, Aura है. इन Salesforce LWC एंड Aura है. अगर मैंने ये गोल चेंज किया ना तो सिर्फ ये चेंज होगा, पूरा पेज
Okay.
रीलोड नहीं होगा. तो
Okay.
क्या हुआ, ओवरहेड कॉस्टिंग कम हो गया, परफॉर्मेंस इंक्रीज हो गई.
यस.
तो LWC क्या है, लाइटनिंग वेब कंपोनेंट्स. These all the things are made into components. छोटे छोटे components हैं. ये
ओके.
एक component है, ये एक component है, ये पूरा एक, इसके अंदर एक component है, ये पूरा एक है. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
जैसे टाइल्स होता है, टाइल्स कैसे होते हैं, एक दीवार पे छोटे छोटे टाइल्स होते हैं.
यस.
So you can consider each tile as one component. If you are making and several, like 5 tiles are into one page. So if you are making a change in tile number 3, only tile number 3 will be reloaded.
ओके.
All the tiles need not to be reloaded, which will decrease overhead costing and increase the performance. क्योंकि 4 टाइल को करने के लिए टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, एक टाइल को करने के लिए टाइम कम लगेगा.
यस.
है ना. So these are the things that are into Salesforce, which is making it a plus point.
ओके.
Okay. So sales scale. अच्छा ठीक है, अब मैं आपको सेल्स बताती हूँ कि सेल्स फोर्स बेसिकली क्या है, जो सेल्स और सर्विस क्या होते हैं. टेक मी एज अ कस्टमर और टेक योर सेल्फ एज अ किसी की. आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट अगर होगा तो किस चीज पे होगा, डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया?
सॉरी.
If you are having
Okay.
any you know, you are making a project for your company.
नो.
ओके. तो जो आप प्रोजेक्ट मैनेज करोगे, जो नेक्स्ट आएगा,
यस.
so you will not be developing into that.
No, no. I'm not going to developing into that or into admin. Just I will assign the stories to them to complete.
Hmm.
Just
Hmm.
that's it.
Okay.
Because
So you.
regarding that stories to interact with the managers, I have to gain some knowledge on Salesforce.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yeah.
I get you. I got you. So you are more into
Project
consulting,
management. Yeah.
managing, and so you are more into the keywords that Salesforce provides.
Yeah.
Basically, domain knowledge.
Yes.
What I
Domain
would say.
knowledge. Yes.
Domain knowledge. All right.
अभी
All right.
अभी देखो, अभी मैं एक एडमिन का एक आदमी को असाइन किया एक स्टोरी.
Hmm.
उन्होंने आके मेरे को बोलते 4 घंटे लगते ये स्टोरी कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Like it
And you
will
don't
take.
and now you don't know कि 4
हाँ,
घंटे लगते भी हैं या
लगते
नहीं लगते हैं.
नहीं ऐसे. अभी मैं मैनेजर को जाके
हाँ.
बोलेंगे तो 4 घंटे लगते नहीं, एक घंटे में हो जाता ना, तुम 4 घंटे काहे को दिया बोले तो मेरे पास आंसर नहीं रहता ऐसा. इसलिए
ओ ठीक है, आई गॉट यू. ठीक है. हाँ. हाँ, तो उसके लिए ठीक है, उसके लिए वी विल कवर एडमिन फॉर यू मोर।
Yeah.
ठीक है, आपके लिए डेवलपमेंट कम रखेंगे।
Okay.
ठीक है, आपका इस तरीके से वी विल प्लान आउट अ बैच जिसमें वी विल बी
Okay.
कवरिंग मोर इनटू एडमिन एंड लेस इनटू डेवलपमेंट,
Yes.
बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टू डेवलप, सो इतना डीप में जाने का
हाँ,
जरूरत नहीं होती
नहीं इसलिए बोल रहे हैं।
है ना। ठीक
हाँ.
है। तो अच्छा ठीक है, अ, अगर कोई टास्क, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई टास्क बताओ जो आपने दिया हो, स्मॉल
Okay.
टास्क।
Small task बोले तो मैं my like I was into AT&T project before.
हम्म
So we will given a like we provided a story to complete to complete the task of design thing, like design a tab. A tab का complete करो, you know, like they will complete the design and they will ask us. So I had a question in the interview in this round. So he asked me the same question, like 4 घंटे दिए तो ना 1 घंटे में काम करने वाले तो 4 घंटे दिए तो how will you handle the situation if you don't know the Salesforce domain?
एग्जैक्टली।
Yeah,
ठीक है,
so that's
ठीक
the
है।
reason.
अब जैसे आपने कुछ दिया है कि क्रिएट अ कस्टम
Like अभी
ऑब्जेक्ट,
custom object, I said
है ना।
I asked him to
हाँ,
create a custom object. How many it will take, like custom object create करने के लिए
10
I
मिनट
don't know,
लगता है मुश्किल
10 मिनट
से।
लगता है, अनु 1 घंटा बोले तो मेरे पास आंसर नहीं
हाँ,
रहता है।
नहीं है कस्टम ऑब्जेक्ट, यू जस्ट हैव टू गो टू सेटअप ऑब्जेक्ट
Setup
मैनेजर,
object, yeah.
क्रिएट करो, यहाँ से कस्टम ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट हो जाता
Yes.
है ना।
हाँ.
जिसके भी आगे $C लिखा होगा वो कस्टम ऑब्जेक्ट होगा।
Okay.
ठीक है, $C कह रही हूँ, अंडरस्कोर सी।
Okay.
all these are custom objects, custom fields, custom object, custom
Okay.
data type, all these
Okay.
things are $C।
Okay.
अब इसके अंदर जाएंगे, you have fields and relationships।
Okay.
ये सारी fields, what see, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसका एक बहुत सारा डेटा है।
Okay.
there is an organization and it is a spreadsheets with datas, there will be
Okay.
rows and there will be columns,
Okay.
so rows will be fields
Okay.
and columns will be your records,
Okay.
all right।
Okay.
So these fields, now account name है,
Okay.
what are relationships, there is, it is a relationship is like दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अगर मुझे लिंक करना हो तो मैं कैसे करूँगी,
Okay.
these are relationships, we will go deep into it in the classes, अभी
Okay.
I am giving you an overview। जैसे अब मैं सेल्स पे आती हूँ, द सेल्स क्लाउड है, ठीक है, इसको कवर करते हैं, फिर उसको पे जाएंगे तब समझ में आ जाएगा। ओके, if you are selling something, you are an owner of a furniture shop,
Okay.
you have made an application of your furniture, e-commerce for
Okay.
example, right? You understand e-commerce, right?
Yes.
You have an e-commerce website of your furniture, whether in that you are selling your bed sheets, everything
Okay.
you can connect with। आपके पास सोफा के बहुत वैरायटी है, बेड्स वैरायटी है, उसका कोटेशन है, उसकी प्राइसिंग है, क्वांटिटी है, इन्वेंट्री है बेसिकली।
Okay.
ठीक है, अब इतनी यू हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू मैनेज, यू आर मूविंग टुवर्ड सेल्सफोर्स। आई एम अ कस्टमर, आई केम टू योर शॉप,
Okay.
ठीक है। नाउ दीज आर ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, जितने भी
Okay.
टाइल्स, ये जितने भी ऊपर दिख रहे हैं आपको, ये
Okay.
सब ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं।
Okay.
ठीक है, और सेल्स क्लाउड में सबसे मेन, देखो सेल्स फोर्स में दो चीजें होती हैं, या तो लीड होता है या केस होता है।
Okay.
लीड इज इफ यू वांट टू ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन, कोई बंदा आपसे लेने आया है कुछ,
Okay.
आई एम कमिंग टू योर शॉप, आई एम योर लीड,
Okay.
ठीक है, मैं आपका प्रॉफिट हूँ, आप मुझसे प्रॉफिट कमाओगे अगर मैं आपका, इफ आई बाय
Opportunity.
योर फर्नीचर,
Okay.
हाँ ठीक है, अगर मैं उस आपसे फर्नीचर ले लिया, मैं उस फर्नीचर की कंप्लेन करने आ रही हूँ,
Okay.
तो मैं केस हूँ।
Okay.
ठीक है, I am your service. You understood Sales Cloud and Service Cloud in layman
Yes.
language.
Yes. Yes.
तो कोई भी रिकॉर्ड डेटाबेस में आता है, कोई भी रिकॉर्ड, either it
Okay.
is a lead or it is a case.
Okay.
Depending on that, we will keep it. Depending on that, we will keep it in either Sales Cloud or we will keep it in Service Cloud.
Okay.
So there are queues. एक लीड क्यू होता है, एक केस क्यू होता है. लीड में जैसे वी आर गोइंग, यू माइट हैव नोटिस दैट व्हेन वी विजिट डॉक्टर्स और एनी अदर क्लिनिक और स्मॉल तो वो कहते हैं कि सर प्लीज एक फॉर्म भर दीजिए, प्लीज फिल आउट दिस फॉर्म,
Yes.
राइट?
Yes.
Either you are buying or you are not buying, but you have
Yes.
to fill a form
Fill up
since you
the-
have visited this showroom, है ना?
Yes.
So
हाँ.
this is these are the records of a lead. आप लीड
Okay.
बन गए उनकी नजर में. You are not converted into anything. You are just a lead of. तो लीड का वो एक कॉन्टैक्ट होता है उनके लिए.
Okay.
ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर if you go to new, this ये फर्स्ट नेम है, लास्ट नेम है, कौन सी कंपनी से आप आए हो, since we will be dealing with the IT, that is that.
Okay.
ठीक है, लीड स्टेटस. अब क्या होगा, इधर आपने फॉर्म भर दिया, बट डिड एनी वर्कर और एनी माय एनी एसोसिएट कॉन्टैक्टेड यू राइट नाउ? तो अभी तो नहीं किया ना, आप सिर्फ रिसेप्शन पे खड़े
Okay.
हो.
Okay.
सो योर इनिशियल स्टेटस विल बी नॉट कॉन्टैक्टेड
Okay.
as soon as the lead is made.
Okay.
After that, it will be converted into working contacted. If one of my
Okay.
sales manager or my sales rep
Okay.
contacts you,
Okay.
तो क्या हो जाएगा ये हमारा, we will be working contacted
Okay.
and we will save. ठीक है,
ठीक है.
these are type of leads we will save.
Okay.
Now what happens, आप एक उसमें गए हो, आप now you are contacting with the sales manager.
Okay.
Then if वो सेल्स मैनेजर क्या करेगा, देयर विल बी कैंपेन्स, उसमें डिस्काउंट्स होंगे, कोटेशंस होंगी.
Okay.
सर इसको ले लो, इस पे 25% डिस्काउंट है, इसको लोगे तो इसके साथ बेडशीट फ्री है, इसको लोगे तो वी विल गिव यू 5000 कैशबैक. ठीक है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स कम अंडर कैंपेन्स, जिसको देख के आप आए हो
Okay.
शॉप पे. ठीक है, इफ
ठीक है.
that sales manager thinks that you are interested into buying any of the item, he
Okay.
will convert you into an opportunity.
Okay.
As soon as he will see that yeah you are interested and you have given that हाँ मुझे ये buy करना है, I am giving you this deposit or something,
Okay.
small deposit, he will convert you into opportunity.
Okay.
आप अब एक अपॉर्चुनिटी हो गया उनके लिए. अब आपको उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है, कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको देना ही है.
Okay.
ठीक है, नाउ दे
ठीक है.
विल, अगर आप किसी भी सेल्स पर्सन के पास, आपको इतना एक्सपीरियंस है, आप गए होंगे डेफिनेटली, तो वो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताते हैं. सर ये इसमें ये अच्छा है, ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है ना? तो आपका अपॉर्चुनिटी, आपको कन्वर्ट हो जाओगे. अब उनके पास भी डेडलाइन होती है कि दिस पर्सन हैज टू बी डेल्ट विद इन विच टाइम.
Okay.
ठीक है, 1 महीना 2 महीने. जो डील आई है, द डील दैट हैज बीन कम, इट हैज टू बी कंप्लीटेड विद इन टाइम फ्रेम ना.
Yes.
So that is the close date of opportunity.
Okay.
ठीक है, स्टेज क्या होता है? Stage are the prospecting, qualification. These I will tell you when we will cover. But
Okay.
basically, stage, the main is closed won and closed loss.
Okay.
If I am making a deal with you and you have bought it,
Okay.
negotiation you might have understood.
Yes.
So all these, so need analysis, value proposition. So उस हिसाब से हम stage कर लेते हैं. If I have done, yes, you have you have purchased my furniture. I will give you a closed one.
Okay.
Jeet that we have, it's a one. We have victory. We have got victory. You have taken things from me.
Okay.
I made a profit. So this is closed one. अगर वो deal loss हो जाती है मेरी,
Okay.
then it will be close lost, and you will be again back to lead. ठीक है? You will be
ठीक है.
again back to the database.
Okay.
See, Salesforce record तभी हटाएगा when I as a owner will delete it. Otherwise everything will be in the database. Future में पता नहीं ना, मेरे पास हो सकता है कुछ अच्छी डील आए, मैं आपको फिर
Okay.
से कांटेक्ट करूं. Sir, we
Okay.
have this deal. Do you want to buy it still? Okay. So
Okay.
again you will be in the opportunity then. Otherwise you
Okay.
will be stayed in the lead part.
Okay.
Lead object. Yeah. So if it is closed one and I save you, then you will become my account.
Okay.
Now you are my customer.
Okay.
Okay. So now you are my account, and all the related contacts, you will give your related contact as well, point of
Yes.
reference. If
Yes.
you are not picking up the phone, that I should contact with someone else.
Yes.
या फिर I will ask you, सर कोई आपका रेफरेंस है तो बता दीजिएगा, किसी और का
Yeah.
फर्नीचर बाय करना है. So all the contacts related to you, that is related to an account, I'll keep it in the contact.
Okay.
Okay. So this
Okay.
is sales. Now when you are a contact, you have bought a laptop, or for example laptop, we are taking it now for service part.
Okay.
ठीक है, अकाउंट है, आप मेरे अकाउंट हो. आई एम अ बिग सेलर ऑफ लैपटॉप्स एंड ऑल द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स, एंड आई हैव सोल्ड अ लैपटॉप टू यू, एंड यू आर हैविंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ बैटरी इन माय लैपटॉप, इन योर
Okay.
लैपटॉप. नाउ यू आर कमिंग टू मी, I have taken this laptop and it is not working.
Okay.
Then I'll take you as a service because you are already my account.
Yes.
ठीक है? So now it is my duty to serve you. I have
Okay.
done my sales with you. So now it is my duty to serve you. So you are now account, and then you will serve. And whenever the case is, when you are coming, I'll create a case.
Okay.
Laptop ka issue, whatever the case will demand. All right.
Okay.
So now the case will be. It will have the case number will be automatically generated. I will give the name of you. What is the contact name? I will give the subject, what problem you are facing.
Okay.
Now, what is the status? Is it new? What is the priority? Is it high? It has to be dealt
Okay.
very, very early? Then it will be of very high priority. Otherwise, if it is a small issue and can be done later also, then
Okay.
I'll keep it as a low priority. That all depends. Okay. So that all will come into cases.
Okay.
Now suppose there are the things status. Okay. New, and your case has come and I have put it into the case queue.
Okay.
Suppose you are a gold membership person. You have
Okay.
bought my gold membership. So I will keep you in the gold membership queue.
Okay.
And gold membership people will have the thing solved within some time.
Yes.
As early as possible. Because
Yes.
you are my prime customer.
Yes.
So your case will be in the gold queue, and from that queue it will be assigned to my associate.
Okay.
As soon as that will be assigned, I will keep it as working.
Okay.
Okay. Now suppose I have told you, sir, aapko you will get the laptop done by Friday evening,
Yes.
and I fail to give that. If nobody is picking up the call, you are visiting the store is closed, or
Okay.
nobody is responding to you, so then you escalate,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Then it will apply all the escalation rules that we will be learning in the service cloud.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So Service Cloud basically deals with cases, accounts and contacts only, majorly.
Okay.
Sales Cloud deals with all the things, but it will deal with these only. Because
Okay.
you are already my account, I don't have to do anything with you now. खरीद के लिया ना, अब बस
Yes.
मुझे आपको सर्विस देनी है.
Yes.
So in India, basically most of the projects work on Service Cloud. Because
Okay.
I myself have done Salesforce, and basically what I can say that I have only worked on Service Cloud
Okay.
most of the time. Only at earlier point of time when Salesforce was just into, it was gaining its pace in IT, then I have worked on Sales Cloud only for a project, or just a POC project, because we have to learn what Sales Cloud is.
Okay.
Otherwise mostly it is a service part.
Okay.
क्योंकि सेल्स के लिए nobody makes such big
Yes.
such big application. For sales nobody is interested. For service everyone is interested.
Okay.
क्योंकि सर्विस अगर अच्छी होगी तो आपकी सेल्स ऑटोमेटिक अच्छी होगी.
Okay.
राइट.
Yes.
सो दिस इज व्हाट सेल्स एंड सर्विस इज. अब हम सेटअप पे अगर जाएंगे, this is the setup and this is the developer console. ठीक है.
Okay.
Here we can do our development, we can check basically, not do, because ज़्यादातर तो विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड में ही काम होता है, उसी से ज़्यादा
Okay.
अच्छा होता है. ये तो बस जस्ट फॉर द लर्निंग पर्पस.
Okay.
ओके. ठीक है. अब ऑब्जेक्ट है, बहुत यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे.
Okay.
Suppose you have to make your, suppose we will be dealing with the account first. इसमें fields and relationships है, पेज
Okay.
लेआउट्स, बहुत
Page
सारी
layout.
चीजें होती है ना.
Yes.
Now the thing is, what all fields and relationships that I have told you, you can make your new field. These are the data types that Salesforce offer, all these data types. Okay. Suppose you have to make a phone. You have to create a primary contact. All right. This is the field label that you have given. This is the name you have given, and then if you want to make it require, you can click that check box. You have to make it visible to all your profiles.
Okay.
And if you don't want to make it an editable, you can make it only read only.
Okay.
Click here and you will be able, for all profiles. Suppose you have to make it only for one profile, then for all profile you can do read only, but only system administrator can
Yes.
edit it.
Edit.
So
Okay.
you can do like that. This is how a primary contact has been made on account.
Okay.
Okay. If I search here primary contact __ C.
Yeah.
All right. So this
Yes.
tells you that this we have made a custom field.
Custom.
And
Yeah.
if I see here, when I'm looking into account, primary contact. Okay.
Okay.
Are you able to see the field that we have made here?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the details. These all are the fields.
Okay.
Okay. Then there are page layouts. How your things should be visible.
Okay.
कैसा होना चाहिए layout? You
Okay.
want this field to be visible or non-visible? ठीक है?
ठीक है. Generally, how the page appears in the.
Whether you have made buttons, कोई button है नहीं है, so all these things are in here.
Page.
See,
Okay.
account owner, account name, parent account. You can move it. You can remove it also. You can move it also. Suppose this is account record type. I can move it like this. Okay, account source. You can see.
Yes.
I can remove it also. Got it?
Yes.
Now these are lightning record pages. These lightning record pages will be high levels visibility. You can add filters. For example, I have made, I don't know whether it will be visible for now. No, it won't be visible because I have made it. Suppose for profile A, I have logged in with one profile and I want a button to be visible here.
Okay.
So that we can do with the lightning records.
Okay.
On some conditions, I need to be visible. This need not to be visible. So that we can do with lightning record pages.
Okay.
Then you can make buttons, links, actions, all these things if you want to make some extra one. These are
Okay.
the things that Salesforce offer. And you want some other buttons also. So you will create those buttons, you will create a functionality for that button, right?
Yes.
Then there are compact layouts. These are not very much of things. We will cover all these things. I am covering main part. Now there are the record types. Now record types are what type of customer you are having.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am into account. Basically, I make a new account. I am making a customer or
Okay.
dealer. Basically, I make a dealer. Okay.
Okay.
I will go next. I will fill up all these things. Okay. So those three that came, those are the record types.
Okay.
What is the type of your record? For conditional rendering. अब HR अब for example आप hiring portal सोचो, there is a hiring portal. Basically
Okay.
there is a portal of your organization. एक नया बंदा एंटर होता है तो उसको कैसा क्या क्या चीजें अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए. न्यू पोर्टल. इफ यू आर एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर और न्यू कस्टमर है तो आपको इधर जाना है. एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर तो आपको इधर आना है.
Okay.
Got it? If you
Yes.
यहाँ पे न्यू कस्टमर एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर भी हो सकता है.
Okay.
So these type of functionality is provided by the record types. Now this I have mixed. Check for button A that I was telling you. That is for if. See, now my button A is visible. Okay.
Okay.
Because I was checking for button A. Earlier I showed you, but there was no button A, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is what change record type. My record type can also be changed. If I
Okay.
make it now I am at dealer and my button A is visible. If I am making it a supplier, my button A is not visible. So all these things I have done with admin only.
Okay.
Yeah. So all these will be covered. Triggers. Triggers will be the development one.
Okay.
But it will tell you which trigger is on which object.
Okay.
So on account of object, what all triggers are there. Then there are validation rules. Validation rules are you want this to be in digit, this to be in only 9 digits. You cannot you cannot keep spaces in password. So all these things will come into validation rules.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
Yes.
all these things will be covered in these. Okay. So now, if you have any doubts, object wise we will cover for sales and service what all are the objects, and for every object you will have these. For every object
Okay.
you can have these. Then there are flows. Okay. We will, for example, I have made this flow, a very small one. Okay. So in this flow, you can do looping. You can make your own screen, how your screen should be visible.
Okay.
Okay. You can make a new screen. You can put, you want first name, last name, address, currency, how it should be visible. All these things we can do with flows. On click of this, you want email to be done. On click of, suppose as soon as I have created a case, I want it to be status to be working. So
Okay.
default status is not working. No, default status is new. Right? So I can
Yeah.
make it through flow also. I can make it working via that UI also, but on certain record. Like suppose if my opportunity status is changed by someone, right?
Okay.
So I want my case, my account status also to be changed.
Okay.
If my for example, if my opportunity status is closed lost, so
Okay.
this record should automatically move to lead, and in lead
Okay.
it should be working contacted. So
Okay.
these are the automation basically. With the help of flows, we can do automate automatically. You don't have to go right into one record because there can be many records and it will take time. आप पहले इधर ठीक करो, फिर आप उधर जाके उसका status change करोगे, so it will take time. So it has to be automated. For that purpose, there are flows. For that purpose, there are many other things as well. We do development for that also.
Okay.
जो ट्रिगर्स होते हैं वो हम इसीलिए लिखते हैं. सपोज आई एम मेकिंग एप्लीकेशन फॉर डॉक्टर्स एंड आई एम फीडिंग द डेटा फॉर डॉक्टर्स. तो अब मैं हर एक के आगे डी आर नहीं लिखूंगी ना.
Yes.
सो आई विल अप्लाई अ ट्रिगर एज सुन एज माई अकाउंट इज क्रिएटेड. suffix it with prefix it with doctor.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So for that I'll write a trigger. So for that purpose we are into development.
Okay.
Because these are the things cannot be done with the flows or anything else.
Okay.
So admin also has its limitations which are covered with the help of development.
Okay.
So now if you have any doubt, we are into 1 hour session.
Yeah, but
Now you can tell.
today I may not get doubts when we are moving forward.
Yes.
Like when we are into practicing, definitely we will be getting it doubts.
We will be getting many doubts.
Yes.
So anything else if you want me to discuss with you?
No, currently no, I am not.
So you are satisfied or you want
Yes,
something else?
No, I think you covered everything.
Hmm.
Okay. When we are into the like actual section, we I may get doubts. I will get doubts, definitely.
You should. Otherwise, I'll think that you are not understanding.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can close the session for now,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Anything else you can do it with the HR?
No, I will speak with her in the next.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. On your part. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you for your session.
Thanks.